So it's not projections as you can think about. Okay, so it's not like it's not. So I was watching the screen. Sorry, it's not like projecting yourself in the future. It's kind of it's close. Okay, but basically it's not exactly like that. So let me explain it to you. So if, for example, you have an axis like this, okay? If you have a dot here, okay? And basically, you let's say you see. Let's say you have two axes that you like a lot. For example, for example, in your relationship, okay? So, let's say you want to improve your relationship. Okay, so improve, for example, your relationship with your girlfriend or with your boyfriend. Okay, so basically, you want to do an activity. Okay, so let's say the dot is the activity. Okay, and basically you wanna get the so before doing the activity you wanna rate it. Okay, you're like, oh, how can the activity work? Get it? So so for example, you have an activity, could be like I don't know, going to a restaurant. So a really simple thing. Okay, so let's say you're going to a restaurant. Okay, so you want to write it on, let's say, so let's say, for example, I don't I don't have a lot of let me think about that. I don't have a lot of ideas right now, but basically let's say you want to write it on fun. Let's say fun. Okay, fun. And fun and what, and discovery. Maybe you see like kind of discovering food. You see discovering something, sharing a discovery. You get it? So, for example, okay. So let's say going to a restaurant. So I put the dot in a random place. Okay. So basically, what you can do is project. So let's say this is like this. You can project the dot onto the fun axis. Okay, and so basically you'll have the fun part of going to the restaurant activity. You get that? So basically so this is a projection. Okay, so you can do a lot of projections. So it's not necessarily on the main axis. You see, it could be like that. The dot could be there, and you could do a projection there. Okay, so you can do projections in a lot of axes, in a lot of ways, in a lot of dimensions. Okay, so so I don't know if my head does my head seems weird or not. So sorry about that. Sorry if I seem a bit weird. That's not necessarily the goal. Okay, but bear with me. Okay. So So how does projection basically kind of explain to you the problem that there is today? Okay, so basically people what they often do in politics, okay, that's kind of the you see that there's kind of two axes, so left, right, okay. So the truth, so let's say left is here, right is here, okay. The truth is there, okay. So you're gonna say, Gauthier, it's not true, the truth is not there, for me it's more on the left, for me it's more on the right. Let me explain it to you, okay. The truth is around there. So obviously the truth is not the left or the right, it's in the middle. You get it? You are not right on all the subjects, and the right is not, so the left is not right on all the subjects, and the right is not right on all the subjects. Okay, obviously. So the problem, what you're gonna do is that you're going to put a point in there, you see. So let's say you're going to put something there, and you're going to project it like that, okay, and you're going to be all wrong, okay, honestly. And basically the people on the right, they're going to project it there, and they're going to be all wrong. So basically they're only going to have one component of the truth. You get it? So I put a dot there, but let's say you have a dot that's on the truth. Let's say you have a dot there. So if you're on the right, you're only going to see this part. You get it? And if you're on the left, you're only going to see this part. You get it? So I hope that you get that. This is really, really important. Okay? And so basically what's happening is that you will be talking with the right people, and the right people are going to say, wow, they totally understand the opposite thing. You get it? So the truth was there. You understand one thing, the right understood another thing, and basically you don't know who to talk to, what to talk about. You get it? So it's and then you're fighting. You're like, wow, no, it's you. You get it? And you fight, and then it's all crumbling down. Okay? So basically, so what could be done is you're basically not thinking into right left, just think about improving the things. You get it? So if for example you have a situation like because basically what's going on with the right and left, it's because it's totally imaginary. Okay, it's not real at all, guys. It's imaginary. It's not real. Okay? So just talk about real things. So for example, what you can do is so let's say you know what? Let's take a political going out in the US. Okay? So let's take for example let's take for example I don't know Hooters or something like that. Okay, so Hooters I think is a great one. So you could say Hooters kind of maybe right leaning. I guess so. You see, like with women with a big breast and things like that. Instead of saying this is too much on the right, you get it. You see, just think about it rationally, okay? So basically, you're like, okay, I want to do a going out. You see, I want to rate it on like objective neutral measurements. You get it? So if I want to do going out rating, okay? So for example, could be like nice food, could be atmosphere, ambience. You get it? And so project on that. You see, do not think about the imaginary political thing, which is honestly really bad. You get it? So next, how does the innovation engine helps you to do that? Basically, the innovation engine gives you capacity to develop things and capacity to understand things. You see, develop and understand. And so by developing and understand, you just realize that left and right is bullshit. You get that? And so basically, the innovation engine is kind of the truth. So it's basically trying to find the better things. Okay? So it's more going to be like that. So truth, innovation, path. You get it? For example, let me explain it to you in a simple way. For example, so obviously it could be like that. You see, it could be like that, it could be like that, it could be like that. Okay? This is an example. So let's say, for example, let me explain it to you in simple terms. For example, you have a watch. Okay? So basically, you put a solar panel on your watch. Your watch is now strictly better. You see? So it can recharge thanks to the sun, and so you don't have to recharge it. So it's strictly better. So it's the truth path. Okay? So basically, if you have a watch that you need to recharge, you put a solar panel and you can recharge it and it lasts as long as the normal watch. It's basically better. Okay? You know it's better. If it's left, right, you don't know which one is better. You get it? So here you go. Hopefully you understood that. I hope so. This is really important because basically it destroyed everything. Okay? Destroyed me for 5 years. You see? Destroyed fucking billions of people, literally. Okay, so here you go. So that's why I wanted to talk about projections and how it solves political problems. And basically, look, the more you're improving on the axis, the more capacity you have, and so the more you're confident. So the more you're confident, the more you're happy. You get it? So the more information you have, the more capability you have, the more, you see? The more devices, the more type of food, you get it? Do you get that? So, I did not show the screen again. So, basically, the path of the innovation. So I don't know where I stopped, which one I did not show, but basically, the path of innovation on the left-right axis, it could be there, it could be there, it could be there, it could be there, you get it? I don't know where it could be, and it could change all the time, okay? But basically, each time you're going up on the truth axis, so the innovation axis, the truth axis, because it's improvement that you can see, okay, that is tangible. Basically, adding more pixels to your camera is tangible. Having a tangible, better relationship, for example, with your boyfriend or your girlfriend, through a new thing that you do together. You get it? So it's tangible innovations. Okay? I hope that you get it. Okay? So this is really important because it kind of and so it kind of allows you to think not in left-right term, which is divisive, but in innovation truth, which is kind of making people closer together. Okay? So, about Hooters, so I think, where does it fall? I don't know exactly. I never went to Hooters. I just knew that this was something, you know, kind of politically how can I say that? Politically kind of destroyed. So here you go. But I think so. It's just an original atmosphere. So you see, you don't see like really nice women in a lot of restaurants, and I don't know if it has nice food, but here you go. So I never went to Hooters, so I don't know exactly, but here you go. Okay? And don't be weird with the women, obviously. So here you go. So I hope that you understand. So here you go. So, as usual, people, think by yourself. This is really, really important. Stay optimistic and positive about the future. So basically, it's a state of mind, guys. So just think positively and be optimistic about the future. Choose what you do in your life. So guys and girls, okay? Choose what you do in your life, what you want to do in your life. Think about growth, elevate you, people around you, and humanity as a whole. Be brave for that because it's not that easy. And continue to grow your capacities. Ok? Comme d'habitude les gens, pensez par vous-même. Restez optimiste et positif sur la suite. Choisissez ce que vous voulez faire dans la vie. Pensez à la croissance. Élevez-vous, les personnes autour de vous et l'humanité tout entière. Bon courage parce que c'est pas évident. Pensez à faire croître vos capacités. C'est très important. Et voilà. Je vais clipper, peut-être.